Hello everyone, myself Harshal Naik from 3rd year, Bharatiya Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. So guys, in this video, I am going to speak on the most beautiful country, Spain. So let's begin our video. Map of the Spain. Spain is situated in southwestern Europe, occupying 85% of the Iberian Peninsula. The mainland is bordered to the south and east almost entirely by the Mediterranean, to the north by France, Andorra and the Bay of Biscay, and to the west by Portugal and the Atlantic Ocean. Next comes Flag of the Spain. The flag of the Spain is a symbol of national pride and the rich history of the country. It was adopted in 1978 after King Charles III ordered a change in the flag. Although the flag is simple in design, it holds immense significance and its colors are shrouded in legend. Coming to the capital of the Spain, the capital of the Spain is Madrid and the currency of the Spain is euro. So there are five languages spoken in the Spain. First is English, Spanish, Basque, Galician and Catalan. For example, as we take word as a hello, in Spanish we speak hola, in Basque we speak kaiso, in Galician we speak hola and in Catalan we speak hola. Same like there are many such words. Coming to the any three special facts of the Spain. Fact 1. In reality, Spain produces 45% of all olive oil in the world. Fact 2. Traditionally, you have two surnames in Spain, the first surname from your father and the second from your mother. However, as per a new gender equality law, this tradition is now being changed to favor the mother's last name. Fact 3. Despite being one of the largest and most powerful countries in the world, Spain did not officially participate in either the First or the Second World War. Many Spanish citizens were exiled to France to fight against the Axis powers. Now coming to the three major cities of the Spain. First is Valencia, next is Seville, and third is Bilbao. Coming to the five tourist destinations. First is Museo del Prado, that is in Madrid, and second is Cunza Cathedral, that is in Cunza. Third is Ibiza beaches, that is in Ibiza. Fourth is La Sagrada Familia, that is in Barcelona, and fifth is Alhambra Palace, that is in Granada. Coming to the five famous dishes of the Spain. First is pisto, that is Spanish vegetable stew with fried chorizo sausages served with sliced bread. And second is cold tomato soup gazpacho with basil and croutons. Third is tortilla the patatas. Fourth is traditional Spanish seafood paella. And fifth is fried dipping churros in melted chocolate.